how to make original sound on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can make your original sound on TikTok. Well, the process itself is pretty simple. If you just want an original sound on your video, then whichever video you have recorded from your phone, if you just want to upload it with your original video, you can do so easily, right? But if you want to upload a particular song, then what you can do is you can open up TikTok, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Once here, you want to choose upload, and then you want to upload a particular video with the particular sound that you wish to upload it on TikTok. Well, if you want the sound, you can download it from YouTube, or you can get it, or you can screen record it and then clip it and use it. And then you want to upload that particular video here. And once you select the video, you can tap on next. And once you tap on next, you can tap on the arrow icon here, tap on next again. Then here everyone can view this post. You can tap on it and then set it to only me. This way, once you upload it, then you can simply set it as post, right? The next time while you upload, you can use its sound. So I'll just upload it real quick here if it gets uploaded. So once it's uploaded, what you can do is you can head it to your private video section. You can open that particular video and then tap on that particular sound, and then you can use the sound to make the video. You can see original sound here. So this is how you can make original sound on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.